Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you'll get notification for all my uploaded videos, and it will motivate me to upload new videos like this. So let's get back to the video content. So today's video is all about EC2, that is elastic container. So in elastic container, so basically we will see how we can select an operating system like Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and we'll see how do we select CPUs and cores. We'll see how we can select storage like EFS, EBS, or storage. Selecting IP address for accessing your service or server from public internet access. So and last thing is last and more thing is selecting security groups. Yeah, the last thing is bootstrap script, running some script while first time boot up. Okay, so this is just like to install some tools. Okay, so this is all about theory. Let's go for practical. Okay, so I am in AWS console. So you can see here instance running are 0. There's no instances created. Okay, so let me go ahead and create an instance. You can see there's a launch instances button. Just click on that. Now you'll see the first instance. Let me give a name as demo 23. Just give it demo 23. Okay, now here you can see there are different OS you can select. Okay, you can see Amazon, Linux, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat. Okay, and other OS. Okay, for now I'm selecting Windows Server. Okay, Windows Server, that too I'm trying to install free trial version. Okay, because if I'm not installing free trial version, then I'll be charged for that operating system. Okay, so yeah, so let me select trial version. You can see you can have more trial version. Just you need to click the drop down. The next one is, let's go for instance, this is G2 micro. It's you can see there's a cost also mentioned here. It's for per month. Okay, within the free trial. Okay, now we need to generate a key value pair. So I'm having a key value pair, YouTuber, all those things. But what you can do is you can create a new one, or you can use existing key one. Okay, demo. If you're not done, so you can just create a keyword. So that key should be in PEM or PPK. Okay, so I prefer to select PEM. Okay, which will be help us to retry the password. Okay, this is very important, so I'm using the same one, demo key. Now network. Okay, now we need to create a security group. We can use existing one if we have. Okay, you can see I have created existing one, but let's create a new group better to understand. Okay, so here I'm giving RDP traffic from from, and then allow HTTP from internet. Okay, now you can enable this also if you're using HTTPS. For now we're using HTTP, so we're not using any HTTPS, so I'm not checking that box. Now about storage, you can see the storage by default for free trial version you'll get 30 GB as root volume. Okay, yeah, this about. Let's go for advanced now. Now in advanced you can see demon, all those things, stop production, everything, enable GPU, everything is there. But this will charge this charge for the usage. So last thing I wanted to show you is uh, okay, here the user data. So here you'll enter a script which will run first time of starting the system. Okay, so I'm not installing anything. We'll install it manually in Windows. We'll see in on that moment. Okay, so let's launch the instance now. Okay, instance is about to launch. Okay, let's go for instance, or we can just connect to instance. Okay, instance about to launch. Let's say RDP client. Now here what we can do is we can download remote desktop itself. Okay, now let's get a password. Now to get a password you have to sorry, what it is, wait list for. Okay, so maybe we need to wait for 4 minutes. Okay, one is terminated, one is running. Okay, so now I think we can go ahead with connect server. So let's see, connect RDP client. Okay, now download remote desktop, we download it. Let's get the password. Okay, please wait at least for 4 minutes after launching an instance before trying to retrieve auto generated password. Okay, so let's wait for some more time. Let me refresh by the time. Okay, now let's try, maybe it should be fine now. Okay, I think it's still not. You can see still the status check is initializing. Okay, so we need to wait for that. Yeah, it will get in some time, some minutes. That's it. It won't take much longer. So let's wait for that initialize to be complete. Pause. Stop. Still initializing. Yeah, so the status is checked now. So what we can do is we can select this demo 23, go to connect, go to IDP. Now in IDP we can first we will retrieve the password. Okay, upload the private key which you have downloaded, this spam key, right? Hope you remember. Now you can just say decrypt. Okay, now with decrypt what you can do is you can just copy this one, then go to IDP, run this IDP, just connect. Okay, just need to ask password. Okay, then remember me, just install it. Now it will launch our virtual machine. Hang on, so it is starting now. Okay, so this is what about how we can launch our virtual machine. So yeah, it will start in some time. So this much for this video. We'll see you in the next lecture. Okay, by that time, take care.